Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex signal. Our Forex quote for the week is by Alexander Elder: "The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary." Trading signal for March 31, 2023. Strategy. Price action AI. Major confluence, smart money concept, demand, and supply zone. Technical analysis. Higher time frame, entry opportunity. Lower time frame, currency pair. Euro to Japanese yen. Trading bias. Buy/long. Entry price. 145.457 for conservative trader. 145.194 for aggressive trader. Stop loss. 144.602. Take profit 1. 145.882. Take profit 2. 146.312. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till end of trading day and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. A buy order in the context of trading generally refers to an instruction to purchase a particular asset, such as a currency pair like Euro to Japanese yen. Euro to Japanese yen is the abbreviation for the Euro/Japanese yen currency pair. When a trader places a buy order on this currency pair, they are expressing their intention to purchase euros by selling Japanese yen. In other words, the trader is expecting the euro to appreciate against the yen, which would result in a profit when the trader eventually sells the euros back for yen. It's important to note that trading always involves risk, and it's important to have a solid understanding of the market and a sound trading strategy before placing any trades. Additionally, traders should always use risk management tools such as stop-loss orders to limit their exposure to potential losses. In addition to what I mentioned earlier, it's important to note that trading currencies, like Euro to Japanese yen, involves a high level of risk. Currency prices can fluctuate rapidly in response to economic, political, or social events, and it's not always possible to predict these changes accurately. Before placing a buy order or any other type of trade, traders should conduct extensive research and analysis to understand market conditions and assess the potential risks and rewards. Some common tools and strategies used by traders to analyze currency markets include technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. It's also essential for traders to have a solid understanding of risk management techniques to minimize losses in case the market moves against them. This includes setting stop-loss orders, using proper leverage, and limiting trade sizes to a small percentage of their trading account. Overall, successful trading requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and experience. Traders should always approach the markets with caution and avoid making impulsive or emotional trading decisions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signal latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly join our free Telegram channel from the description. Forex AI Signals. Smart signal for smart traders. See you tomorrow.